Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 10, chapter number 3, circle. So, in this lecture, I am going to explain you some more example from practice sheet 3.4, page 73. Question number 2. Now, try to understand this question. This is slightly lengthy question. Okay. Given quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic, side PQ, so this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral given, side PQ is equal to side RQ, angle PSR is equal to 110, find major arc PQR, major R, find major angle PQR, so this angle, and major arc PQR, major arc QR, and major angle PRQ. Okay. Now try to understand solution. First I explain you. Now this is about cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. PQ is equal to QR given. This angle is equal to 110. Now this angle is inscribed in this arc. Okay, and this arc is intercepted by this angle, and therefore this angle is equal to 1 upon 2 major arc PQR. This angle is given, so 110, and therefore this arc is double, that means 220. Okay, now this arc is equal to 220. Now this angle is equal to, this is a quadrilateral which is cyclic, opposite angles are supplementary, and therefore this angle is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Then major arc QR. Okay. Now major arc PQR is equal to 200, and this chord is equal, therefore this arc and this arc is equal. So arc PQ plus arc QR is equal to 220, and therefore this is this plus this. So for this you substitute, or for this you substitute PQ. So twice RQR is equal to 220, and therefore this arc is equal to 110. Okay. Now this arc and this arc is equal, that means this arc is equal to 110, and therefore this angle, inscribed angle, which is half of that arc, so this angle is equal to 55. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Since quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic given, and therefore angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180, opposite angles are supplementary, and therefore 110 plus Q is equal to 180, and therefore angle Q is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree, and therefore major angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. So this is a 1. Then major arc PSR. Major arc PSR is equal to 1 upon 2 major arc PQR, inscribed angle theorem, and therefore major this major arc PSR is given 110. This 2 you transfer on this side. 110 into 2 is equal to major arc PQR, and therefore major arc PQR is equal to 220. This is the second answer. Then major arc PQ plus major arc QR is equal to major arc PQR. So this plus this is equal to this arc, and therefore but RPQ is equal to RQR, arc subtended by equal chords, and therefore twice major RQR. For this PQ I substitute QR, so twice major RPQR is equal to 220, and therefore major RQR is equal to 110. So major arc, and therefore major arc PQ is also equal to 110. Now angle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 major arc PQ in scribe angle theorem, and therefore angle PRQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into 110 gives you 55, and therefore major angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Okay. Now this is a slightly lengthy question. Go through this question again so that you understand. Question number 3. Quadrilateral MRN is cyclic. Angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find measure of angle R and angle N. Okay, now this is a simple question. Solution. Since quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic, angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, and therefore 5x minus 13 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 180, and therefore if you simplify this, 5x plus 4x, 9x is equal to this you want add, so minus 13 plus 4 is equal to minus 9, and this minus 9 you transfer on this side, so 9x is equal to 180 plus 9 is equal to 189, and therefore x is equal to 189 upon 9 is equal to 21 degree. So x is equal to 21 degree. So this you substitute here, and here you will get angle R and N. Okay. And therefore angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 is equal to 105 minus 13 is equal to 92 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 is equal to 84 plus 4 gives you 88 degree. So angle R is equal to 92 and angle N is equal to 88 degree. Okay. Question number 4. In circle with center O, say RS is diameter, T is external point, prove that angle T is an acute angle. Okay. Now this is a circle with center O, RS is diameter given. Okay. Then this is a tangent to the circle given. Okay. And this is a secant intersect R intersect at P. Okay, intersect circle at P. T is external point. Now this you try to understand. To prove angle T is an acute angle, so this angle is less than 90, that is acute angle. Now in a circle with center O, sec RS is diameter given and therefore angle RPS is equal to 90 degree, angle inscribed in semicircle. Now in triangle TPS, means this triangle TPS, okay, this angle is exterior angle and therefore angle T plus this angle is equal to what? This angle. So that is what? 90. That means angle T plus this angle is equal to 90 and therefore T is obviously less than 90 because addition of these two is 90 and therefore this T is what? Less than 90, or this S is also less than 90. Okay, that is acute angle. Okay, now then try to understand. Now in triangle TPS, angle T plus angle S is equal to angle RPS, exterior angle of a triangle, and therefore angle T plus angle S is equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle T is less than 90 and hence angle T is an acute angle triangle. Acute angle. Now question number 5. Prove that any rectangle is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now given quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Now you know rectangle means what? So this is a quadrilateral ABCD which is rectangle. That means all angles are 90 degree. That means this angle is equal to 90 and this angle is also equal to 90. Okay. Now it's very easy to prove quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Prove. Since quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D is also equal to 180. So opposite angles are supplementary and therefore quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you. Hello my student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.